sir. That's not going to happen.
You can get the fuck out of my face. I don't give a fuck who you are. Okay.
Okay, sir, this could you do an 85 and a 55?
I was going.
Going where?
Call out.
Where we going?
SWAT call out right over here.
I didn't know we had one.
We have armed.
We've realized that I'd like to know what's going on in my own damn city.
We would have notified you, sir.
We would have?
Yeah.
Hey, motherfucker.
Get your hands off me, man.
Back up, John.
Hey, pull him back.
No, he just came up to my face and said the same
He's
shit.
getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
He's getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
Both of you need to back off.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily eye-opening videos that help you understand the law and how police operations really work. Now pay close attention. This traffic stop instantly spirals into something far bigger. We're talking a high-risk SWAT operation, conflicting jurisdictions, and a former officer reportedly barricaded and armed. But the real tension isn't just down the road, it's between the badges themselves. Who actually has authority here, and what happens when ego collides with command?
301, going on traffic. Nora George Mary 045. Nora George Mary 045. It's going to be 777. Hello.
Are you sure? I'm going to SWAT call out.
Okay, sir, this could you do an 85 and a 55?
I was going.
Going where?
Call out.
Where we going?
SWAT call out right over here.
I didn't know we had one.
We have an armed guy barricaded in the house. Used to be a Tulsa police officer. And
Where at?
Right down here on.
Here in Lexington?
Yeah.
We have an armed person we don't know about. All right, I'll call our chief and let him know. 301 next. According to the Cleveland County Sheriff, we have a...
This is where everything escalates. You're hearing a senior official demanding answers, and legally, that frustration isn't unusual. In multi-agency operations like this, notification protocols matter, especially when county and city jurisdictions overlap. But here's the problem. Rank does not override an active tactical operation. Walking into a live scene, confronting officers, and escalating verbally can compromise safety. So ask yourself, is this about lawful accountability or personal authority being challenged in public?
Hostage situation at that location.
Tell me what the fuck is going on.
Tom right here.
Where's Captain Tom? Captain Hawk. Yeah. Where's Canal?
Excuse me, sir.
What's going on here? We've realized that I'd like to know what's going on in my own damn city.
We would have notified you, sir.
We would have?
Yeah.
Well, hold on. I've been down there at the PD all fucking day.
According to the call, it says Lexington was notified, they refused to respond according to our call.
Sit down here, guys.
Okay, I don't know who the fuck said that.
First of all, sir, I know you're the chief. I'm just telling you what the call says.
I don't appreciate all of this going on and nobody notified me a damn thing about it.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
You want, hey, you got my ass later.
Sir,
Hey, he's a lieutenant.
I am too.
That's great.
You're not going to talk about chief like that, sir. That's not going to happen.
You can get the fuck out of my face. I don't give a fuck who you are. Okay? This is my county, too.
Back up, man. Back up. No, you don't.
He just said, what the fuck's going on?
This is
I was
going to be good.
according to
Okay?
the call,
You need to stop.
Lexington PD was notified.
Chill out. Back up. Everything's going to be okay. But you need to back up.
I get it that you're
Notify them. They
chief.
said
You
they
can riled up,
called
dude.
Negative.
But this right
Now
here
he's-
ain't what
We're
it
not
is.
going to be disrespectful here.
Okay?
Sheriff, you need to back up out of my face, sir.
You have no authority.
You're not gonna fucking tell me what to do, motherfucker. You're not gonna get in my sheriff's face.
you wanna do that?
Just like you told me, motherfucker.
Get your hands off me, man.
Back up, John.
Hey, pull him back.
No, he
he's
just
in the
came up in my
sheriff's
face and
face.
said the same
He's
shit.
getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
He's getting ready to go to jail.
Stop.
Both of you need to back off. This is our operation. This is our county. Understand?
Oh yeah, perfectly fucking clear.
Go 10-8.
Perfectly clear. Come on.
Just to run that fucking relationship.
I want that lieutenant's name so I can put his hands on me. Good to know we recorded.
Let's break this down professionally. This incident highlights a critical law enforcement principle. During an active SWAT or high-risk operation, command authority is defined by incident command, not title alone. Physical contact, even between officers, can constitute misconduct if it interferes with duty, and that's why emotions have no place on a live scene. Situations like this often lead to internal investigations, policy reviews, and command discipline rather than criminal charges. Now, we want to hear from you. Who crossed the line here, and how should this have been handled? If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam TV breakdowns.